Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, 2020, and today we will be working on multiplication. You do not have a workbook page to complete today, but you have a list of tasks that you need to complete for practice. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to click on the link multiplication, and that is going to take you to Brain Pop, and you are going to watch the multiplication video. Here's the username, 112CHN, and the password is star. Then you are again going to watch the Count Bys of Threes and Count Bys of Four songs. You have watched those yesterday, but you are going to listen to them and watch them again today so you can start to master your Count Bys of Threes and your Count Bys of Fours. I know a lot of you already have your Count Bys of Threes mastered, but we want to continue to review and practice those and your Count Bys of Fours. Everyone should have already mastered counting by fives and tens. If you have not yet, you should watch those count by videos as well. Otherwise, those 2, 5, and 10s are optional videos, but it is mandatory that you watch count bys in 3s and 4s. When you are done with that, your two IXL jobs are Y8 and Y9. So if you do Y8, it will open up. And let me make this bigger here. And you will be practicing your multiplication facts. So I can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5 is 10, or I can just go 5, 10. Count by 2, 5, 2 times. 1 times 2, 2. 0, any number times 0 is always 0. 2, 4, 6. 3. 2, 4, 6, 8. And as I'm counting by 2s, I'm putting up a finger until I get to that 4 because I'm counting by 2 4 times. Then your second IXL is multiplication tables for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. So if I open up that IXL, I will have 10 times 1 is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4. 0, any number times 0 is 0. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then I will continue on that. Mrs. Medard is able to see if you've completed your IXLs or not, so make sure that you complete both IXLs Y8 and Y9 today, and then you are done. Again, there is no workbook pages to complete today in math. It is just the multiplication Brain Pop, your songs, practice count bys, and your two IXL jobs.